Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Tipra. Thank you so much. I didn't expect it. No, no. Yes, very kind of you.
सर थोड़ा गेट के बाहर जाइए सर। ठीक है सर। भाई किशन बकसीन बरोबर काम सीन बरोबर या या सीन बरोबर बच्चों बच्चों से तो मिलना चाहिए। What do you say? Welcome. Welcome. In Manipuri. This is a long, dream for us. ये एक कल्पना थी. This was a long-standing dream for all of us. In fact, maybe our time has come now to realize this dream. And Northeast as one entity, is I think the answer for all of us, of all the indigenous people of the Northeast. And I feel so humbled and I feel so great to be coming to Agartala after so many years and to see this kind of, warm welcome. This is what Northeast is all about. Look at the warmth, look at the, sheer feeling from our heart. So I think this is going to be a great, movement in my mind for all of us to come together under one platform.
Today also, in Manipur, there has been seizure. What message you give to New Delhi?
Well, as of today, when I arrive in Agartala, I come with a lot of hope that Manipur will also soon become very peaceful. But yes, it's going to take some time. The process is on, but at the same time, the whole the concept of becoming one, to speak for Manipur from Tripura, to speak for say Tripura from Manipur, to speak for Nagaland from Meghalaya, or to speak for say Nagaland from Assam. See, when all our voices, I think, resonate, if the voices go to Delhi, then of course Delhi will also take us very seriously. And I'm sure with your particular question to Manipur, Manipur has undergone a very deep crisis, as you all know, and we all must pray that normalcy and peace comes back to Manipur, and I think it will happen. It will happen with all your good wishes and with this coming together of voices of the entire North.
Thanks.
The phrase itself is self-explanatory. It's for one united Northeast, that we all come together, stand with each other, fight for our issues of common concern, and be together.
So, what are the main concerns you feel? You have been in the government ruling party, but you have quitted. What is the reason, and what are the main issues that are burning in Northeast?
I've already stated why I quit, and I wanted to recalibrate my political journey and want to put more emphasis and give more time for the issues that are impacting us daily in the region. And that's one of the reasons why I quit. And as for the future, I feel that as long as all of us come together, we'll be able to better address the issues that are before us as a region.
So, what are the reasons that you said the issues are still very active in Northeast, which could not? What are the main issues you feel?
See, there are so many issues. We cannot just point out one, but starting from our issues of land rights, issues of dignity, of identity, issues of daily governance, which has not reached the intended beneficiaries. So a lot of issues are lost in translation between the vision and implementation. So one of the target is to ensure that whatever vision any leader has or every leader has for this country should also reach out the northeastern region, and it should not be missed out. So we want to be the bridge between policy and implementation as well, among other things.
My last question is, present government said last mile delivery. Has Northeast somewhere been left out? And even from your state, if you see into the peace talks that are going on, is it taking too long?
Yes, definitely. It's for everyone to see. It's a very obvious question that you're asking. So if you look at the entire notice, from even accords that have been signed, how many accords will we see being signed till we see the light of day? And these are issues that I think we need more deliberation, more pressure, and we need to come united as one people to fight for the implementation of our rights, starting from not just Tipra's Accord, but starting from Assam Accord. Yeah, and I'm very happy to be in Tripura and Agartala.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.